Since the economic boost of 1990, the aesthetic market is growing in India, but we equally face the challenges. The growth is primarily because of awareness among the population, the increase in social media. The people are venturing quite frequently, they are socializing, there is a much more awareness, they are traveling. And most importantly, if we notice, the number of doctors have increased. There are a lot number of doctors who are trying to venture in aesthetic medicine. Like for example, the doctors from plastic surgery, from dermatology, and there is a mushrooming of chain of clinics across the cities and metropolitans in our country. So that has given us a good growth of aesthetic market, and by 2025 we expect that it is approximately 10 billion US dollars of aesthetic market in our country. So these are the factors which have really led us to the growth. Since last decade, a lot of non-surgical procedures have become very common across the world, like botulinum toxin, dermal fillers, the thread lifts, the lasers and all. So with these procedures there is no downtime, and that has actually led the confidence among the people to go ahead with these aesthetic procedures. Gone are the days when people used to go for facelift surgeries and all. Now these things can be achieved with minimally invasive procedures. So that's another factor that has led to the growth in aesthetic market across. Advances in a lot of technologies, like new lasers have been developed. Even there have been lasers developed or devices developed to reduce the body fat without going for any liposuction. And there have been a lot of advances in medical aesthetics across the world, and many of these technologies have been imported to our country, and our doctors and clinics and hospitals are benefiting out of these technologies. Well, the challenges that we face in our country is mostly the social stigmas. The social stigmas associated with these aesthetic procedures, like people are not confident, they are not ready to discuss with their colleagues, with their friends, or in their families. It's still a social stigma getting a Botox done, and this is a concerning factor. Apart from that, we in our country have different religious and ethnical factors and ethical reasoning for not getting aesthetic procedures done. Apart from that, it's not well regularized. Like there has been a mushrooming of chain clinics across the. So price variations is another challenge. Like different price, it's not well regularized prices which have been set up by the government. And the challenges are there are heavy taxes leveled on this aesthetic industry. Pricing in our country is quite high when you compare it with other countries. Although it's growing, but now if you see in countries like, apart from US, you see the countries like Korea, China or Singapore, there are many aesthetic procedures being performed compared to India. Well, there is a duty of us, like doctors who are practicing aesthetic medicine, to counsel their patients properly, to discuss all the pros and cons of that particular aesthetic treatment, and never ever do any over expectation. That's going to help us to develop the aesthetic business in our country properly, ethically, and we expect by or before 2025 all of us, our country, become more youthful, good looking and smart. Thank you.